Powerful nature. All right, so we're not done with this tropical air mass just yet. Two things. Number one, don't wash the cars and keep the umbrella handy. Let's take a look at the Quarry Market tonight. Things are quiet on a mostly cloudy Wednesday night. The smokestacks are cyan. And my good friends at the Quarry Market tell me this is for Fragile X syndrome. What that is a genetic disorder that causes developmental delays in children. So 79 degrees tonight, 82 is what it feels like. That east-southeast breeze is pretty light, so the air's still humid with dew points over 70. But we only hit 87, another gift in late July. We should be hitting 96. 104 stays in place from 1934, and a nice deposit in the rain gauge for San Antonio, a little more than half an inch. But there was a lot more just north of that. So half an inch at the airport, but up 281, we had a 2.5 inch total near Terrell Hills, Alamo Heights. We actually had a flood advisory about mid-afternoon that expired around 4:30 with some localized flooding there. 1.5 inches in northwest Bexar County, 3+ just south of Hondo, 2+ south of Pleasanton. And so most of the rain today was really to the south, although we did see a few showers spark late this evening between 281 and I-10. And then the heavier rain moving south of Atascosa County and even farther south between, say, Tilden and Laredo. So this is going to be about the same setup for tomorrow. What we've got out there is called a trough axis. You can actually see it on water vapor, that line of demarcation between the moisture and a lot of that dry air. So what happens now is tomorrow's focal point on more rain should be east and southeast of us. And then as we get into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're expecting a good push to the northwest. So here's future radar where most of the rain early tomorrow is going to be east. So if you're going past Gonzales and Columbus on your way to Houston on I-10, you'll run into some rain the closer you get to Houston. And then in the afternoon, some more scattered downpours. It's not going to be a whole lot, but when you're under one of these showers, it could be heavy at times. Now, as we get into Friday, that's when we could see this moisture move up from the coast, from the south, and we get covered. Now, keep in mind, we're still pretty rain swollen in a lot of this area, especially the Texas Hill Country. So if rain falls in the right spot, it'll lead to localized flooding. This is why when you see this kind of guidance and this kind of coverage on rain, Saturday, Sunday, we've got weather impact alert days scheduled for both. So let's take a look, mainly because, again, it's the weekend. You're going to be driving a little bit more, so that can impact things for sure. So tomorrow's rain chance only 30%. We hit 88. The first 7 of our 14-day forecast has Friday, Saturday, Sunday weather impact alert days, not because of severe thunderstorms, but because of localized flooding. Because again, any water that falls has got no place to go but up. So we're going to see rising water on any of these heavier thunderstorms. Should start shifting weather patterns as we get into the last days of July and beginning of August, where you can see temperatures will go back up. 97s by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to begin August. No chance of rain that first weekend of August, with highs getting closer to 100 as we get into August 6th and August 7th.